Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day today. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of November. Right here, this cute little bag. If you're new, welcome. My name is Nori, and in my channel, I do makeup tutorials, unboxings, reviews. I also do fashion hauls, and I'm currently on a weight loss journey, and I share everything about my journey, what I eat, what supplements I take. So if you're into any of that stuff, definitely go ahead and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me, and turn on the little bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Okay guys, so if you don't know, this bag retails for $25, and you get 5 full-size beauty products, and you're promised a value of at least $120. For the last few months, Ipsy's been allowing its users to pick 3 out of the 5 items. This time around, I was super early to picking. For some reason before, I just randomly would show up on the 2nd, and I didn't even know that was the day that we had to pick. But when I went in, I picked my stuff. I like what I got. I'm happy with it, but I feel like this month the choices were a little bit lackluster, to be honest. I'm happy with what I got. Yes, I am. But I was expecting more. I feel like the add-ons are a lot more interesting, which I wasn't planning on spending money on add-ons, and I did end up doing it. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing because I'm rambling too much. This is super heavy because it's full of add-ons too. See? But yeah, I forgot to say, this is the little bag. It's cute. I thought it would be a lot more sturdy. It feels really cheap. I mean, I don't really care about the bags, but it's really cheap. And this month's theme is Be Present. I actually really love this theme, especially like right around the holiday time. You know, Thanksgiving's coming up soon, and Christmas and everything, and all the holidays. So I really think that's a really cute theme. Okay, so first I'm going to show you the options that Ipsy chose for me, and then I'll show you what I picked for my 3 items. The first thing they chose for me, is the packaging is a lot bigger than I expected. I was looking for a very small package. So I got the Trestique Good Vibes Mascara and Lash Curler in Icelandic Black. They chose this for me. I don't know, I just expected like a mascara wand, but it came in this little box. So I guess it has an eyelash curler and a mascara in it. Maybe I should review this. I don't know. Wow, this is so huge. It feels like the size of like a setting spray. I don't know. I've never seen this. Flip down to curl. Oh, that looks scary. I don't know if you're supposed to put your eyelashes in there, because I will not be doing that. What? Like, it seems like you put your eyelashes in this device. How? Let's see. I'm not gonna do it. I'm just trying to, see how this device works. It looks like a mousetrap, right? Like this. Like you're supposed to put your eyelashes in there, and then it says to flip down to curl. That's creepy and scary. I don't think I'll be trying that. This retails for $25, and then on the other side, I guess you twist it and you get this mascara wand. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you have Ipsy, or if you like makeup, you're watching this. Would you try this? I'm scared. If you have tried it, please let me know. Maybe there's some positive reviews out there. I'm gonna Google it, but as of right now, there's no way I'm trying that. Okay, so that was the first item they chose for me. I'm not really into it too much, but at the same time, it seems innovative, so I don't mind, because they let me pick out 3 items, so I don't mind. The next item that they chose for me is the Violet Voss Coral Pop Eyeshadow Palette. This cute little palette right here. The packaging feels really nice and soft. And this palette retails for $20. So tiny. Okay, let's see. Ooh. And these are the colors. Pretty, it's a lot more vibrant than I expected. I love peaches. I am obsessed with peaches. And I especially like this one, the last 2 shades over here. This one is a little bit more peachy than it seems. I like it because it's dark enough for like fall. Usually I'm into pastel peaches, but it's hard to find also peaches that you can really use, or corals, I guess it's called the coral palette, that you can use, you know, during fall and winter. I'm very interested in playing with this, so I'll definitely be doing a tutorial with this one and the other palette that I'll show you in a second. Super, super cute. You get 6 shadows, retails for $20. So they picked that out for me, and they picked out the mascara and curler combo right here. Next, I'm going to show you my choices. So for my first choice, I had the option of choosing, I have 4 lid glazes from Item Beauty. I guess 4 different shades of a lid glaze. I guess it's something for your eyes because it says lid. I don't really know. Then a Shayna B Miami Mini Miami eyeshadow palette and a trusty color and contour bronzer stick. So I went with the eyeshadow palette this time because last time I regretted not getting multiple eyeshadow palettes. And I got this one, the Shayna B Miami eyeshadow palette. I like the packaging because it's black and hot pink. And it's also very similar to the other one, like an everyday palette. But I'm excited to try it out. So it seems like you get 4 shimmers on top and 4 mattes at the bottom. Very, very cute palette. They're both really nice. So this retails for $20. So for my second choice, I had the option between 2 Complex Cultures tinted lip creams. I believe I went with espresso. I had the option of espresso or mauve nude. So I went with espresso. Let's see how it looks. And there was also the option of Tula Skincare I Feel Amazing. I guess it's like under eye mask, I think is what it is. And Sugar Rush Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil. I went with this just because I really prefer anything that's pigmented. I don't know. Ooh, this is such cute packaging. It seems like the bottle is like glazed. Is that what it's called? Super cute. It feels pretty luxurious. Let's see how it smells. I don't know why I imagine it to smell like some kind of treat. This retails for $18. I got the shade Espresso, and let's see how it swatches. Okay, not too pigmented, but I do not mind at all. That's why I went for the darker shade. It's not too pigmented, but I don't mind. And it's a lip cream, so maybe it's supposed to be moisturizing. But I'm excited that I got this. It's something new to try. I like trying out new products and new formulas too. So again, that retailed for $18, and that was my second choice. For my last choice, I had the option between the Julep eyeshadow cream, powder eyeshadow stick, 2 of them, 2 different shades, Seraphine Botanicals lip mask, and Araceli Beauty eyeliner. I went with the Seraphine Botanicals lip mask right here. I usually would not pick something like this out. I don't know. I just have a weird time with lip stuff. But I tried out their eyeshadow palette a few months ago. I did a review on it. If you want to check it out, I'll link it down below. And I really loved the palette. I wasn't expecting much from it, but it performed beautifully. So once I saw their brand, I wanted to go ahead and give it a try. So this is supposed to be a lip mask. I mean, I don't generally like to put like lip mask on my lips. I don't know. I'm just weird. But my lips have been getting very dry since the fall season started, since it's getting colder. It's a pretty good size too. I'm excited to try this out. I might update you guys in a future video if I try it out. It says before bedtime, you apply a generous amount to your lips and leave overnight. I'm definitely gonna try this because I've been getting really dry lips. And this retails for $25. I could talk forever, but that's it for the unboxing, to be honest. Thank you so much for watching if you made it to this part. If you like these kinds of videos, then go ahead and subscribe if you haven't yet. Give it a big thumbs up so I know to keep doing them. And leave me a comment saying, hi, what did you get in your Ipsy bag this month? I keep saying unboxing, but it's a bag. So I don't know if I should say unbagging because they used to be a box. But anyway, I'm so excited to try these out. I'm touching this packaging. It's so soft and velvety. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to this part, I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it so I know to keep making them. Leave me a comment saying hi. Let me know what kind of things you got in your Ipsy bag this month. Follow me on Instagram at Nori Loves Beauty if you want to connect with me. I've been posting more makeup stuff on there if you're interested in that. I'll leave some makeup tutorials linked down below in case you're bored and want to watch some makeup tutorials. And thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.